Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So today we're actually heading to El Paso again to put the Bronco on the dyno. We're going to do some maintenance, we're going to get an oil change done, and then we're going to see how much power this thing makes. We're expecting it to make right around what our 2.7 F-150 did, 280 to 295 horsepower. Let's see how this Bronco does before we get to tuning. Which, by the way, before you ask, tuning is being worked on by COBB. So hopefully they come out with it sooner than later. You know, we're hoping, but it's not quite out yet. So let's go. So if you guys remember, a couple of weeks ago we took the Bronco off-roading. We noticed there's a little bit of scuffing underneath on the subframe somewhere, and I'm sure this is going to be a very popular upgrade eventually. But take a look at this. You can see right in this area here some scuffing, as well as the other side. Again, that's not too bad, but it's there. And so that's something we'll probably end up upgrading eventually. Maybe a company like IAG may make something, but it's going to be something that we'll eventually take care of and upgrade because it did get beat up pretty good. Again, it's functional, it's not horrible, but it's something we want to fix. It's good looking underneath the vehicle like this when we do oil changes to be able to see what things need to be replaced or any upgrades that may happen. So it's nice to have it up on a lift occasionally. Wanted to take you guys around the shop here, check out some of these cars. So this is actually a good buddy, Chad's GTR. I tuned this one several months ago. It's on flex fuel. I think it made right around 600 horsepower. Very, very clean build. I really like this one. Now here, this is Jaime's car. I've known Jaime for probably 10 years now, and this car wins all kinds of awards. He's done a ton of work to this car. I think it made 650 horsepower, something like that. A little over 4 years ago, so still holding up pretty nice. Rego built, of course. You guys can get an idea of how many Subarus that come through this shop. There's no longer any space to park in the actual fence, so they have to park cars outside across the street. Yeah, they've got older GTRs, it's wide body, tons of Subarus. That was quick. It took them like 5 minutes to get that off. Oil drained. Gonna put it down now and fill it up. What do you think the Bronco's gonna make power-wise?
I don't know. I'm gonna go on the low end, say 275. 275.
Yeah. All right. Let's see what Rego thinks. All right, Rego. So what do you think this is gonna do?
I would say it's probably gonna break 300.
300, all right.
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay, it'll be a strong one if it breaks 300.
Just unplug the waste here real quick.
Yeah, oh.
For sure make it 100.
Gotcha. All right, dude, what do you think the Bronco's gonna make on the dyno? It's stock 2.7.
Oof, I don't even know what they make normal.
Ford rates them at 350, I think, to the wheel, to the crank. So, something like that. I can't remember exactly.
My guess 285.
Okay, good guess. Alrighty, 285. Okay.
Money down on it.
All right, Adrian. So, what do you think the Bronco's gonna make on the dyno?
I would say about 305.
305. Okay. Alrighty.
We'll see.
Okay. All right. So we have 275 horsepower. We have 285 horsepower. We have 288 horsepower. We have 305 horsepower and over 300 horsepower. So let's see exactly what this thing does. Okay, first pass. 265, 364. $258, $352. So this is the last one we're going to do, and then we're going to call it quits. $253 and $343. So the Bronco made 265 and 365 foot-pounds of torque. It wasn't quite what I was expecting. I was hoping for 280 to 290 horsepower and around the same torque. And we're going to take a look at what we can do with an intercooler, of course, and then tuning once tuning is available. It's not quite ready, but once COBB gets tuning out, we're going to be supporting the Bronco platform. So it is what it is. All right, guys, so we're back home. We finished up in El Paso, got the Bronco on the dyno. Didn't quite make the numbers we'd hoped for, but once tuning is available and we're able to get some more power in it, we'll definitely do that. Wanted to give another shout out to Revo Built Garage there in El Paso to get us the oil change real quick, put us on the dyno real quick. Of course, we're going to be over there quite a bit on the dyno doing development, working with those guys. So a huge shout out again to them. So don't forget to like and subscribe, please. We really appreciate the growth on the channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. That's our goal. So thank you guys for all the help, and we'll see you in the next one.